Hey guys, it's me, GadgetGal38 here. Yeah, I know I haven't been on here a while, but I'm here today to unbox my new MacBook Pro 13-inch, and it is the one with the M1 chip. Yes, I went to Best Buy and decided to pick it up. So yeah, trying to get this box open. It was kind of stuck, but yeah, I do love it so far. So look at it. Look at it. It's so pretty. Look at it. Come on now. Take that paper off of it. And I did get it in space gray. Wow. Looks good. And they have the USB-C ports, only two on one side, and on the other side it's a headphone jack. So I'm gonna put it aside. So we're gonna see we have the cable USB-C, and then we're gonna open this pack designed in California. You have the little manual, and then the warranty, and you got the space gray Apple stickers. I thought those was nice because all I got was, in the past years, the white one. So that was pretty good to see something different. Yeah. All right, so you do get the 61-watt adapter, wall adapter. Now, come on, let's go to the main event right here. Come on, gal. We're going to open up this MacBook Pro, and it turned on. I'm like, what? And of course, I am doing a voiceover, so yeah. So I just wanted to come in and show you the unboxing of the MacBook Pro with the M1 chip. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up, comment below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. All right, guys, love you. Toodles.